Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you where is the microphone on your headphones Philips. So, the microphone located at the right ear cup. At the bottom, near to the USB-C port, between USB-C port and power button, we have this dot right here, but not this one. This one is the light near to the power button. And this dot, this one is the microphone what you used for the calls. So you can find it right here, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.